Today, we're going undercover in the forest. All these trees might seem like the tall, silent type, but they're all talking to each other in their own special way. Scientists have known for a long time that plants and trees can release chemicals above ground that can tell other trees about diseases or pests. But researchers have found that looking underground was where some of the communication was happening through a fungi network. Underground, trees are linked by something called the Wood Wide Web. No Wi-Fi here, just real roots. Tiny fungi in the dirt team up with the trees, helps them with sharing food and water and warnings. If you're listening, spill the sap. Using this mycorrhizal network underground, trees can help sick neighbours and even protect the young trees. Let's try with some modern tech. I think we have a signal.
Well, you're standing on my roots, young man.
So, next time you're walking in the forest, remember, it's alive in more ways than you can think. What do you think my chances are of blending in here? Let it grow, can't hold it back anymore. I mean, between you and me, I'm a fun guy, but I've heard you're a tremendous listener.
Who's the new guy, man?